Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Who here does rooftop gardening or balcony gardener? Because today I'll be telling you about a very interesting homemade manure which is very good for your gardens. And you can easily make this with leftover rice. And rice is a very common ingredient in our Indian household. Do you know just by using leftover rice you can make 3 different fertilizers? For the first fertilizer you will require an earthen pot. This is a very old earthen pot which we don't really use anymore. First, in this earthen pot add your leftover rice and rice water. Here you can add byproduct of kitchen waste compost. Instead of this you can also use other things. Now add 5 to 10 ml of bioenzyme in it. Now stir it and keep it in a shaded area for 10 to 15 days. Oh, and do not forget to stir this mixture every day. If you do not have bioenzyme or the byproduct, you can use jaggery or curd. And make sure that you add more water. But if you do not have bioenzyme, you may have to keep it in a shaded area for 1 month. Okay, now I'll tell you about the second homemade manure. For this, you need to ferment leftover rice with rice water for 24 hours. After 24 hours, make sure that you strain it. And now you have to use the water. Make sure that you dilute the water and then give it to your plants. Do you know this water is really beneficial for your plants? And this is also very easy to make. If you have chili plant, chrysanthemum plant or brinjal plant, this solution is the best. You can give this instead of watering as well. And with the leftover solid rice, make sure that you add it in the composting bin. But in the composting bin, make sure that there is no oil or spices. If you do not have composting bin, you can also give it to the plants. But make sure that you cover it with some more topsoil. Otherwise, insects like ants will eat it. And these insects may harm your plant as well. If you want to know a more longer video on how to give these rice to the soil directly, then make sure to check out our channel. We will also give it in the description. Now I'll tell you the third process. Here you need rice water. Simply let it ferment for 6 to 7 days. During this process, don't forget to add bioenzyme or curd or jaggery. This will grow good bacteria. And these good bacteria are actually very good for your soil. And it will also boost the plant a lot. Okay, it's been 1 month till we made the first fertilizer. Now it's time to give it to our plants. Oh, and before giving it to the plants, make sure that you dilute it with water. This is actually a very strong fertilizer. That's why it is very important to dilute this 4 to 6 times. You can also keep on adding rice and rice water to this already made mixture. And you can keep using this daily. That's why instead of throwing leftover rice, you can use these 3 ways to give it to your plants. This will not only help your plants grow more bushier and healthier, but this will also manage food waste. This also improves the fertility of the soil. That's all. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to know more things that you can make with leftover waste, then make sure to check out our channel. There are many videos and all of them are really easy to make. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.